It was a crazy rainy day today. Rained most of the day. Right towards the end of the day, about 4 o'clock, I had to go up on the roof and check it out as I got a break in the rain, make sure things were clear, and this was the scenery all around. Super cold. Well, I had some propane delivered and needed to check on the propane. Checked on it about 3 hours ago. Here was checking on the propane tank. Definitely not as cold as other areas, but was kind of cold for my area, about 42 degrees. And yep, there was the receipt for the propane delivery on December 24th. Yep, was making sure my delivery was good and got a little surprise there. Uh, the propane tank is like a 250 gallon tank, and had 80 gallons added, so I had about 10 to 15 gallon percent there, and it put it at about 45% when they filled it. So it's at 45 now, so it's good. But yeah, looks like the bird was looking for a little shelter from the cold. I just happened to record this. I was going to just use the light from the cell phone to check, and then I thought I've never really showed looking at the percentage of your tank or the tank fill of the propane, so I figured I'd make a video on it. I was glad I did, because otherwise I wouldn't have got the bird on film. And my phone battery, I was using my phone, the battery ran out just a split second after seeing the bird. So it was just one of those things. Was able to catch it, and then the flash died as the battery went low. But I was able to catch that little bit and thought I'd share it with you guys because I thought that was kind of neat. And just like with natural gas, propane has an additive added to it to make it smell kind of like rotten eggs if there was ever a gas leak. So another good reason to check things out when you've got a delivery, just to make sure nothing smells odd, pressures are holding, and everything is as it should be. And you got what you ordered, and maybe a little more.